If you live in Western society in modern times, you have or probably have considered getting a pet. Before even entering the family, pets can have a preconceived role in the owner's mind that govern your future interactions with your pets. Owners spend resources not only on food and healthcare, but also on luxuries such as grooming, presents, toys, and entertainment, large rewards for a lost pet, and pets are given individual names and food dishes, dressed up as humans and given birthday celebrations. People also experience severe grief over the loss of a pet, similar to the loss of other human companions. In this video, we will be looking at the nature of pet attachments and the evolutionary advantages that may have led humans to keep pets. Pets occupy a unique position in the family. They are generally treated as children where care is provided for them, but at other times are also treated as a spouse or parental substitute, where the pet provides emotional security for their owners. Additionally, pets are considered to give you unconditional positive regard. They are seen as being constantly available, uncritical, and loving. In contrast, human relationships can produce difficulties and dissatisfaction, which can increase the value of pet relationships over those of other humans. Pet relationships were found to be more secure than those between partners and are a consistent source of attachment security, possibly by buffering against negative social emotions. However, the pet's unconditional positive regard is really a reality constructed by its owner, especially given that pets also cannot talk back. These assumed traits allow pets, particularly dogs, to be employed for therapeutic activities in recent years. While humans have demonstrated a strong attachment towards animals, there has been no indication that animals are capable of attaching themselves to other species in the same way. Studies and personal accounts have shown animals to develop friendships with other animals, or be raised by other species, but all of these events occur outside the natural environment, with human intervention. The animals are kept in a predator-free habitat with unlimited food and resources, and are often encouraged to develop friendly relations with other species sharing the area, particularly within households. Adopting other species as pets appears counterproductive for evolution, as pets are not working animals, and therefore do not provide any tangible benefits for the owner. However, throughout human history, a connection to certain species may have provided a selective advantage. 3 unique human behaviors play into our connection with other animals: tool-making, symbolism, and domestication. Tool-making is considered to be the first diagnostic human behavior. Early tools were primarily butchery tools for processing animal carcasses. As a result, the study of animals became important with the introduction of meat into early human diets. As tools became more sophisticated, a wider array of game and hunting skills became available, leading to an increased need for gathering and remembering detailed information about animals. Early symbolism, found in prehistoric art, mainly exhibits medium to large animals in different postures, physical qualities, and mating stances. There were no depictions of landscapes, geographic features, or climate, and very few depictions of humans, insects, and plants in comparison to animals. Given that prehistoric art required time, energy, and resources to create, the continued investment in art suggests the importance of the subject matter in evolutionary history. Eventually, as tools became more popular and sophisticated, animals became used as living tools through a process called domestication. Domesticating animals brought increased calories and nutrients, leading to the Neolithic Revolution and the development of urban life. As a result, humans who could better observe, connect, and communicate with animals had an advantage over domesticating the animals, leading to larger communities and permanent settlements. But the reciprocal relationship of domestication is very different from the extravagance of modern pet keeping, where owners appear to reap no benefits from the animals. While pets may be used as a display of status, in most cases they are considered family members, where owners form strong attachment bonds to the animal. Despite this, pet keeping may still be a reciprocal relationship. Pet owners had higher social capital and civic engagement than non-owners. Social relationships can help with psychological stress, giving owners enhanced health and psychological well-being. Owners had lower stress responses, increased physical activity, and lower blood pressure. Heart attack victims were also found to have higher one-year survival rates if they owned a pet. Pet keeping can also be a signal of the fitness of the owners. When grazing land was scarce and expensive, keeping horses was associated with wealth and high social standing, qualities often sought after when choosing a mate. Along with status and resources, pets can signal altruism and responsible behavior in the owners, which can also help you attract a mate. Men were 3 times more likely to get a phone number from a woman when accompanied by a dog. While this does not necessarily indicate mating success from the pet, the dog served as a social facilitator to create interactions and possible new relations, making it easier to find a potential partner. Now, before you rush off to buy your next dog, keep in mind that these studies are not always consistent. Pets also produce clear health risks for owners and other residents, including transmitting diseases such as salmonella and injuries and death from the animals themselves. Living with your pet does not lower the risk of death, despite the health benefits from pet keeping. And these costs and risks of pet keeping are not limited to just physical health. We'll be exploring more of that in part 2. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.